In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Wrike password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose a strong new password so you can get back into your workspace quickly and securely. Start by opening the Wrike sign-in page in your browser. On the login screen, enter your account email address. If your organization uses single sign-on, your screen may look different and password resets might be handled by your company's identity provider. If you normally sign in directly with Wrike, continue with the reset flow. Click Forgot Password. This tells Wrike to send a secure reset link to the email associated with your account. Then click Submit to confirm. You should see a message that an email is on the way. If you entered the wrong address by mistake, just go back and try again with the correct one. Now switch to your email inbox and look for a message from Wrike about resetting your password. If you don't see it within a couple of minutes, refresh your inbox and check your spam or junk folder. Some filters also place these messages in a promotions or updates tab, so take a quick look there as well. Open the email and click the Reset Your Password button. For best results, open it in the same browser where you started the process and be aware that reset links expire for security, so use it promptly. You'll land on a Wrike page that confirms you're ready to change your password. Click Change Password to proceed. Next, type your new password, then retype it to confirm. Choose something strong and unique. Aim for a longer passphrase with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites or anything easy to guess. A password manager can help you generate and store a secure option. When you're happy with your choice, click Submit. Wrike will save the new password and either sign you in automatically or prompt you to log in with your updated credentials. If you see a success message, you're all set. Once you're back in the workspace, click your profile avatar to confirm you're signed in under the right account, and take a moment to make sure everything looks normal. If you use Wrike on mobile or in other browsers, remember to update your saved login there too. If the reset email never arrives, verify you typed the correct address, request another reset, and double-check spam filters. Still stuck? Reach out to your workspace administrator or Wrike support, especially if your company manages logins through single sign-on.